Oh, hey there guys, what's happening? Welcome back to another one. Hey, earlier this week I thought to myself, you know what, we're gonna make some club sandwiches. Club sounds really good, and then my mind just started rolling, and pretty soon, before you know it, it's not even a club anymore. It's like an extreme grilled cheese club, extra meat, something like that. So we got some cottage bread. I'm gonna put 3 pieces of bread on each side, or on each sandwich. We got a pound of ham, a pound of turkey, peppered turkey, and a pound of bacon. And I weaved the bacon and cut it into 4 chunks. I just used my local grocery store deli ham. So that's simple. Everybody's got a deli around, right? I hope. And we do not have Dukes. I think we have Dukes up at our Sam's Club, but we do not have Dukes at our local Super One. But Kraft will do today. It's gonna do just fine. These are all pre-buttered, so a little ahead of the game on that, but without further ado, let's get to cooking. It's just gonna get carried away. Let's just hammer this thing out. Bacon first. Obviously, that's gonna take a little bit of time. That bacon's probably like really loud, but typically when we made club sandwiches, they were more of a cold sandwich. You toast the bread, little mayo, some cold turkey, maybe some cold ham, and some bacon. So instead of making a cold cut or a cold club, where I thought about earlier in the week, man, clubs sound really good right now. By the end of the week, working outside and, you know, running outside and all that stuff, -9 degrees, warm sandwich sounds a whole lot nicer. Will you guys do me a favor? Will you go smash the like button? That'll help get my video to more people, and I sure would appreciate that if you did. I'm gonna try to incorporate that into the videos more and more to get you folks to go smash the like button and leave comments. I love hearing from you guys. Okay, let's give this stuff a flip. I'm gonna turn my griddle down to low all the way across. So these 3 burners are on low. This burner is off. Because after this bacon is done, we're gonna start our sandwich, and we don't need a lot of heat for that sandwich. See how it waved up a little bit on us? Smash fest. I think these clubs, crispy bacon is where it's at. I think. Woo, that puppy's hot. Super quick cook. This is gonna be a real quick cook. So if you're in a pinch, you gotta feed a lot of people, club sandwiches, man. 20 minutes, you can feed an army. Now that bacon's simmering down a little bit. Oh, another thing I'm gonna get is a couple baskets. Okay, that bacon is just about there. Sure smelling good, I'll tell you that much, for free. I like it. It's gonna continue cooking right there. By the time we need it for our sandwiches, which is just gonna be in a few minutes, it will be ready to rock and roll. Guys, I get asked a lot about what this is back here that my scraper goes into. All it is a kit that Blackstone sells. It has 3 of these magnets and that scraper. Typically, I think people put the scraper on the side because it stays pretty cool. I like it for like a little bit of a block for the grease trap. I love the rear grease trap. So I use it for a blocker so food doesn't go through there. But the only thing is it gets really hot. So I use a welding glove to fight that problem. Okay, without further ado, let's get our bread down. Monterey Jack cheese, not American. I don't think American belongs on a club. But if you like American on your club, by all means, American it. So I'm gonna go this side. Oh, this is some thin cheese. It's not working quite like here we go. Just gotta go from the other edge. I'm gonna go that side. By the time we're all done, it's gonna be melty awesomeness anyhow, right? Okay, I should have done this. I should have prepped this before the video. Would have been a whole lot easier. Wouldn't have been fumbling all over. That'd have been a little nicer for the video. That's okay. Whoo, yeah. Look at this bacon. Getting nice and crispy. Can you guys see that? Watch. Nice. Okay, I'll put the ham right in the front. So I need 4 piles. Just like so. And I need 4 piles of turkey. Oh man, we got a situation, boys and girls. Holy. I'm going mayo right on the sandwich. Okay, mayo is deployed. Give my piles a flip. Now, bottom, top, bottom, top. Now let's go ham, 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 turkey, 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 turkey. See what we got. Oh, perfectly crispy. That is a situation, you guys. Wow, does that look good, eh? Wow. What do you guys think? Okay, I'm going in for a bite. Here goes nothing. Holy, is that good, guys? Thanks for watching. I hope you like this one. We'll catch you later. Until next time.